What's up, guys? Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate Group, back again with Doug Miller of Aspire Home Mortgage. This is going to be another video in our series of following the mortgage process from pre-qualification to signing your loan documents at settlement. Last week we did paper exchange, so at this point in the process we'd imagine that all the paperwork that was requested from the buyer is into Doug, the loan application is signed, and he's going to tell us where we go from there.
Thanks, Brian. So once we've gathered up all your documents and we've gotten all the regulatory disclosures back from you electronically signed, at that point we're going to upload all that information to the lender, to the underwriter, the mysterious person that signs off on all the stuff. So your file's submitted to underwriting. At that time we will also order the appraisal that we'll need for the property. The appraisal is the only thing that you, the consumers, ever have to pay for up front. They're usually around $500. We would also order the title work. The title work is the title company is the person that's going to make sure your settlement goes off of that hitch and make sure that you have clear title of the property. And I will advise you, the consumer, to begin starting your search for homeowners insurance, something else that we're going to need. So all that stuff is uploaded to the lender. Usually within 2 to 3 days, they will issue a commitment, and that's how you officially know your loan is approved. The commitment will still have some conditions on it because we probably won't have the appraisal back and some other things. But at that point, your loan's approved. We've got a final list of conditions that we have to gather up, and we start to work towards getting it cleared to close.
Cool. So there you have it.
All right.
That puts us pretty much almost to closing. We're getting close. A couple more videos and we'll wrap this series up. Once again, Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate Group, Doug Miller, Aspire Home Mortgage. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.